Welcome to our tutorial on how to disable direct message read receipts on Twitter using your PC. Follow these simple steps to manage your privacy settings effectively. To begin, click on the More icon located on the top right corner of your Twitter homepage. This will reveal a drop-down menu with additional options for you to explore. Next, select Privacy and Safety from the menu to access the privacy settings for your Twitter account. This is where you can control various aspects of your account's privacy and security. Within the Privacy and Safety section, locate the option labeled Show Read Receipts and click on the box next to it to turn off this feature. By disabling read receipts, you can prevent others from knowing when you have read their direct messages. Once you have unchecked the box for read receipts, the feature will be turned off, and your direct message interactions will no longer show read receipts to other users. By following these steps, you can customize your direct message experience on Twitter and maintain your privacy while communicating with others on the platform. That's all for our tutorial on how to disable direct message read receipts on Twitter using your PC. Thank you for watching, and remember to adjust your settings according to your preferences for a more personalized Twitter experience.